If you get letters or emails from your credit card company congratulating you for being eligible for a credit limit increase, should you take it? I asked some Metro Detroiters what they think, but also sought out the pros and cons from a local expert so you don't waste your money. Many of our mailboxes are inundated with credit card offers. Some of them from your current credit cards are about raising your credit limit. The whole idea of increasing your credit limit, do you like that?
Yeah, it's an awesome thing, yeah.
Do you ever get any offers for increasing your current credit limit?
Yeah, I just kind of assume that they're just, scammers or spam or anything like that.
You just chunk them.
Yeah.
But I got Bank of America, and so yeah, they've been increasing my my credit limit. So that's been a benefit for sure.
But if they do a significant credit limit increase, you'd be all about that?
If it's significant and it's at a decent rate, yeah, definitely. I mean, in business, sometimes you need that extra credit here and there, so I don't think it's a bad thing.
And oftentimes it can be a good situation for you if you don't use the extra.
I sat down with Kristen Holt, CEO of Green Path Financial Wellness, based in Farmington Hills, to get the pros and cons of saying yes to a credit limit increase. What should people be wary of when they get these offers in the mail?
So the first thing is look at the wording of the offer. If it says may be eligible, that is very different than a letter that says we have just increased your credit limit. May be eligible means you most likely are going to have to apply, and they're going to pull your credit report.
A con is getting a pull on your credit report that could have a negative effect on your credit score. So Holt says it's important not to allow credit checks if you're considering buying a house or a car soon, because that could potentially lower your score, which could hurt your chances of getting a low rate for that future loan. But one of the pros to raising your credit limit is that it could potentially improve your credit score. 30% of your score is determined by your credit utilization ratio. So what is the credit utilization ratio?
So what that is it's looking at how much credit you have available and how much you're actually using.
Holt says, for example, if you have only one credit card with a credit limit of $1,000 and you have $500 in outstanding charges on that card, you're using 50% of your credit limit. But if you get a credit increase to $2,000 on that card, now you're only using 25% of your available credit limit.
A good rule of thumb, what they're looking for really is for you to be using 30% or less. And that's something I feel like a lot of people don't know.
And remember, if you do get a higher limit, that doesn't mean you need to use all that money.
Kind of back to the cons, as long as you can trust yourself and you're not going to take that as a license of like, ooh, I have this extra money I can spend, getting that credit limit increase is going to be a great help to your credit score.
That's especially the case if they're not pulling your credit report, but just awarding you a higher limit based on your history as a good customer, or the card company's concern that they're about to lose you as a customer. Holt says another pro for taking that higher limit, it gives you an emergency cushion if you have an unexpected expense, like a car repair. And it gives you more of an opportunity to maximize your rewards points by charging for some day-to-day expenses and earning, say, airline miles. But no matter the pros and cons, Holt says you should make it your goal to pay off your credit card balance every month, so your cha-chings don't have any negative dings on your credit report. So if you get an offer, weigh your pros and cons and know that some people are not getting credit limit increases. According to a recent survey by LendingTree, nearly a third of U.S. cardholders had their credit limit cut or their account closed in the first 4 months of this year, about 62 million people. And that's in addition to the tens of millions who experienced credit limit cuts in 2020, which I reported on last July. Now, sometimes card issuers will cut your credit limit if, one, you're not using the card enough, or two, they're worried about their financial situation. So if you're worried about that happening, use your card a little bit more, but make sure that balance doesn't get away from you. If it does, or if it already has, you can get help from the nonprofit Green Path Financial Wellness. The number to call for debt counseling is 866-648-8122. And we have that information on our website, WXYZ.com.